This video tutorial I will explain parallel sort method of arrays class which accept byte array. The sorting algorithm is a parallel sort mesh that breaks the array into subarrays, and that subarrays themselves sorted and then merged. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined the byte array. Then I am calling a parallel sort method of arrays class and passing byte array. This method sort the byte array content into ascending order. Here you can see the output, and here you can see the byte values are arranged in ascending order. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.